Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one. So to fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Now you need to make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Log into any app and tap on Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one you need. In order to do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Now input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and if you wish to, even some helpful notes. When you're ready, tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!